Metalcrete waterproofing is a combination of powdered metals, hardening agents, and oxidizing chemicals used to waterproof foundation walls, elevator pits, and other concrete and masonry substrates. Prior to mixing the material, the concrete substrate should be saturated with clean water. Do not apply Metalcrete waterproofing over a dry substrate or a substrate with standing water. Add 50 pounds of Metalcrete waterproofing to approximately 1.6 gallons of water and mix well with a power drill. Material should be mixed to a heavy paint consistency. Each 50-pound unit of Metalcrete waterproofing yields approximately 100 square feet per coat. Apply Metalcrete waterproofing to the floor and walls to ensure a continuous and seamless waterproofing system. Apply the second coat of Metalcrete waterproofing 24 hours after the first application. Metalcrete recommends at least 2 coats of Metalcrete waterproofing, with most architects and engineers specifying 3 coats. Metalcrete waterproofing cures to a rough, burnt orange colored surface. If this color is objectionable to the owner, Metalcrete waterproofing may be top coated with Metalcrete block coat.